the difference between ang and yung? Ang is equal to the article the, while yung is a relative pronoun. So if I say the guy, ang lalaki. But if I say yung lalaki, what do you think that means? If yung is a relative pronoun, what does a pronoun do? It substitutes a noun. It replaces a noun, right? Therefore, when there's a pronoun, no need for a noun. You can either say, Dara teaches me Tagalog or she teaches me Tagalog. Diba? And from the word relative, think of the word relate or relationship. So, meaning to say, when you use yung, it introduces another subordinate clause. Halimbawa, I have my friend right here, and then I say, Ann, yun yung crush ko. Yun yung crush ko. That's my crush. And then my friend Ann says, Sino? Who? Yung naka-blue. Yung naka-blue. The prefix naka here is used to mean wearing or using. The one wearing blue or the one in blue. Yung naka-blue. The one in blue. Yung naka-blue is already a complete sentence. The one in blue. But if you say ang naka-blue, in English, that just means the in blue. Even in English, it doesn't sound right, diba? Because ang is only equal to the article the. But yung is a relative pronoun, which could mean the one, that thing you told me last night, yung sinabi mo sa akin kagabi. Ang naka-blue na lalaki ay pogi. The guy in blue is pogi, handsome. Formal sentence, no? How do we make this casual? We will start the sentence here with a predicate. Remove the verb to the I, right? Let's put the word pogi here. Pogi ang naka-blue na lalaki. Because ang is just an article, it's not a pronoun. It requires additional noun to show which or who are we talking about. But if we change the ang here to yung, while you can say, pogi yung naka-blue na lalaki, say it that way, it's like redundant. We can also remove the additional noun. The word lalaki here is not that important anymore. Because when we say yung, that one. Yung naka-blue, pogi yung naka-blue. So, do you now understand why I said ang is equal to yung, but yung is not equal to ang? Yan yung crush ko, yung naka-blue. Pogi yung naka-blue. Okay na ba? Gets na ba? Is it clear now? Salamat sa question mo, ABC. I wanted to make this lesson longer and give more examples, pero nandito na ang mga pamangkin ko. My nephews are here, surprise visit. So that's it for now, guys. This is Dara, Tutor of Manila. Follow me for more.